Hello and welcome back to Memory at Lightning Speed with a permanent memory sphere and power recall. Memory course 3. The next technique I want to talk about is a technique called pegging. This technique, again, is a consciously applied memory technique. But more importantly, it's an exercise that begins to release the power of the recall ability you have. It will get you to the autopilot stage, the unconscious competence level part of memory where you recall things virtually automatically, and that is really the most important part. This particular technique, as I already mentioned, is called pegging. Let me explain what pegging is. If you were to imagine in your own room or office, there's a peg or a hook on the wall. On that peg or hook, you could put your coat, you could put your umbrella, you could put a blouse, you could put a shirt, you could put anything. If you'd leave it there, a couple of hours later, you came back and you went back to the peg, what would be on the peg or hook? Whatever you put there in the first place at the beginning, it would still be there. The same thing occurs in our mind. Here's the thing. We establish two mental places where we can store information. When we want to remember something, we put it in a mental place, and then later all we do is go back to that mental place, and there is the information. This happens every single day in our lives. This is how we operate. For example, you wanted to see if you've got any post today. Where would you probably go? Your letterbox. That's the place that stores mail. If you wanted to see if you had some milk, where would you probably go? Your fridge, because that is where you store milk. If you wanted to get some money, where would you go? Well, maybe your purse, it may be a wallet, it could be different places for a lot of people. But wherever you keep your money, that's where you would look. The first thing I want you to do is to repeat what you see and hear. You should not be writing anything down. We're going to establish on our body 10 places that we call our body list. These are 10 pegs where we later on store information. It is important that we go through this exercise, that we use the names that I have given to each one of these body parts. Do the choreography, the hand movements, as I describe them to you, and repeat what you have seen and heard. Body list. 1. Toes. 2. Knees. 3. Muscle. 4. Rear view mirror. 5. Lower back. 6. Shoulders. 7. Collar. 8. Face. 9. Point. 10. Zero ceiling. We talked about pegging, the autopilot stage, and the body list. And you could check out my transcript on YouTube and also read the subtitles. I look forward to seeing you in the next session. If you like the video, share it with others as you see fit. Now join my library. There are more than 270 videos for you to watch and learn from. I see you in the course. Next, click on Video84U. It's for you. Watch now and learn more. See you there. Thank you.